What's up, weirdos? What's going on? One last video before we call it a night. Thought we'd look across the market, see what's going on. Tight range Bitcoin has been consolidating in for quite some time now, guys. We're going to have a look at that. And we got a new ZBCN partnership announcement that we need to talk about, plus more hints at a Coinbase listing. We're going to get into every little bit of it, guys, so make sure you stick around for it. Nadix and ZBCN and XPR, Swiftcoin, all looking good. XCN, all in the green. Jasmy down 4% on the day, 21.5 on the week, up 17 on the month, but down 48.5 on the year. Down one spot in rank to 100. $766 million market cap, 40 million in volume. Swiftcoin up 1% on the day, down 10% on the week, up 5% on the month, and up 196% on the year. We are up 9 spots in rank to 331, $114 million market cap, and 1.45 million in volume. XCN up almost 1.5 on the day, down 13.8 on the week, up 5% on the month, and 904% on the year. Up 2 spots in rank to 121, $546 million market cap, and 26 million in volume. And of course, ZBCN, which has been on a roll. Up 1.5% on the day, 25.2 on the week, 46.7 on the month, and 318 on the year. Up 4 spots in rank to 141, $436 million market cap, 69 million in volume. Still got some good DC opportunities out there, guys, across the board. A couple things are pumping. B3 had a good day earlier. It was pumping much more. Veracity's looking okay. Toncoin. Other than that, guys, Vera is up. Other than that, it's DCA time. It's DCA time, guys. Not financial advice, but you are not going to have these opportunities very much longer. So take full advantage of it, or else, you're going to be sitting there asking me in about 2 weeks if I think we're going to have another correction so that you can DCA some more, right? All right, Bitcoin. Look at the range we have been consolidating in here for Bitcoin. It's starting to, it's about getting to be that time, guys. Right? We have been consolidating here for 19 days. 19 days. Right? And it's been painful. It's been painful. Up and down, up and down, up and down, right? Am I right? Am I right? Come on, guys. Everybody wants to see that break to the upside. We got to break above 120. Just flat resistance right here. 120,000 seems to be a major psychological level. We just cannot get through and sustain any kind of momentum. And to the downside, same thing. The bears just cannot seem to get us to close below 117,200 and we'll say $60, right around there. So it's been holding support. A lot of wicks to the downside, a lot of wicks to the upside. Bulls and bears in a tug of war, guys. Who's going to win? I still think we're going to see a green week this week. I think we end up pumping as we go. A lot of people are anticipating, for some reason, Powell's speaking tomorrow, and I know a lot of people are sitting on the sidelines right now saying, oh, there's a small chance for a rate cut, small chance. No, there's a fat chance. There's not going to be no rate cut. There's going to be a pause, which is fine. That's what's priced into the market right now, guys. It's not like if he says we're going to pause, the markets are going to dump. Right? The markets have been pricing in a pause all month for the rates. So if we did get a rate cut, yeah, markets would respond violently to the upside, but I'm more interested in whether he hints at a rate cut in September when he speaks tomorrow. Because if he does hint at a rate cut in September, well, the markets are going to pump through August, pricing in that rate cut. So which would line up perfectly with a correction through September, which you guys know is my theory. We're going to pump fairly violently through August and have a bit of a correction in September, blow off top October, November. That's how I see things playing out. A lot of people have been asking me more and more, Rob, do you think it's possible we could go into next year? Well, listen, I will never say that something is not possible, because in crypto, anything is possible. Okay. Do I believe right now that the bull run's going to run into 2026? No, I don't. I don't think so. Right. But I'm not always right. Right. This is not a channel run on my ego. Right. I am more than willing to be wrong, admit I was wrong, and adapt my plan accordingly. Right. So can I be wrong? Of course I could be wrong. I don't think we're running into 2026, though it is a possibility. I'm addressing this because I've been getting asked this question a lot lately. And of course it's possible. Anyone who says it's not possible, that something's not possible in crypto, hasn't been in crypto very long. Right? Because I have seen some damn near impossible things happen in this space over the many, many cycles that I have been around. Okay. So you would never hear me say, nope, never, not possible, not going to happen, blah, blah, blah. Right. So is it possible? Of course it's possible. I mean, hell, I hope we run all the way through August, dip in September, pump through October, November, December, January, February. Hell, let's go, man. I'm all on board for it, right? I just don't think it's going to happen. And if we start getting close to my exit price points on my portfolio, I'm getting the hell out, right? And if it keeps pumping into next year, guess what? I wouldn't be that upset, because I set my goals. If I reach my goals and I got out at my goals, then I'm fine. I'm not an emotional investor. I'm not going to sit there and go shoulda, coulda, woulda, right? Never be that person. That's how you end up losing in this space, my friends. So, yeah. All right. So, anyway, let's go have a look over at Ethereum leading the altcoin charge. What is going to happen here? Well, we broke out of the bull pennant. We've retested it, and we're waiting for that next snap to the upside. I really do think it's going to happen this week, guys. I think we're going to snap up this week. Could be as early as tomorrow. We'll see what happens. But I am mega bullish on that. ZBEC, really quick, guys, looking at the chart. Let me just zoom in here for you guys. Now, I said earlier today, I think we're going to consolidate inside of here for a good 3 to 5 days, building up another bull pennant like we did here before we snap to the upside once again. So very bullish on that. We're going to ping pong between 2005 and 2054, I would imagine, right before we snap to the upside again on ZBEC. So ZBEC's not done, my friends, not done by a long shot. All right, we're going to get into some of the ZBEC news. But first, as we always do, quick shout out to the channel sponsor. Speaking of ZBEC, guys, if you want to get yourself a free ZBEC airdrop and $20 off your Decent wallet, use the coupon code down in the description, future20 off, and you will receive $20 off your Decent self-custody wallet and a free ZBEC airdrop, my friends. Do not miss out on it. Check it out. This is a limited time offer from Decent. It is only valid until August 5th, and then it is done forever. This is the only channel running this promotion through Decent. So check it out today, guys. Again, before the offer goes up in smoke, right? Check it out today. All right. What else do we have? New partnership for ZBEC. Check it out from Lucky Charms. ZBEC and Reddit Pay, instant USDC payments, low fees, and crypto cards accepted at 130 million plus merchants worldwide. Spend crypto anywhere, earn rewards, and enjoy seamless crypto fiat transfers on global access in 158 countries. Now, Reddit Pay, what is this? You might be asking. Well, I'm going to answer you. All right, so Reddit Pay, we'll call it Reddit Pay. It's a Hong Kong-based blockchain technology company specializing in cryptocurrency payment solutions in crypto wallets. It offers virtual and physical crypto cards that allow users to spend cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, and USD or USDC as fiat at millions of merchants worldwide, both online and offline. The platform supports instant crypto fiat conversions, enabling seamless transactions with low fees around 1% for conversions and high spending limits up to $1 million daily. $1 million. Users can fund accounts via mainstream blockchain networks like Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polygon, and Tron, and withdraw local fiat from ATMs globally. Reddit Pay emphasizes financial inclusion, aiming to connect the unbanked to the global economy through secure, user-friendly payment solutions. So the key features include instant card issuance, security, licensed and compliant with global regulations, with assets protected up to $42 million insured, multi-layer security tools like two-factor authentication and real-time blockchain transaction monitoring, global reach, supports payments at over 130 million merchants across 100 countries, with partnerships like Circle enhancing USDC usage for low-cost borderless transactions. At promo and rewards, they offer referral rewards up to 40% commissions. No, that's not what I don't have any commission on this. I'm just explaining this new partnership for ZBEC. So, though no direct cash back through the rewards and promotions part. So that is their partnership. That is their new partner, Reddit Pay. They announced that today. So very bullish on that, guys. Very, very bullish on that. And then we have this more speculation or clues of a Coinbase listing for ZBEC. Check this out from Lucky Charms. This is exciting news. Coinbase is actively testing ZBEC network and getting ready for listings. ZBEC, if you don't own ZBEC network, now would be the perfect time. Not financial advice. It's inevitable. It will be listed. Then pay it forward. Tell 5 friends. So here we go, guys. Coinbase enters technical integration phase for ZBEC network. Big news for ZBEC network fans. Coinbase is officially holding ZBEC in their wallets, signaling they've reached the technical integration phase, which is step 3 of their listing process. This is a major milestone. Coinbase is actively testing ZBEC to ensure it integrates seamlessly with their systems. A critical step before potential listings, it shows they've moved beyond initial research and are serious about preparing to handle ZBEC on their platform. So what does this mean? ZBEC network is now in the later stages of the process. Having likely passed Coinbase's initial interest and due diligence checks, setting up a wallet and testing the token is no small feat. It's a clear sign of progress. So, is this hype? Is this misinformation? Or is this the truth? You be the judge, my friends. I remain, as always, speculative about it, right? I'm open to it, but it could be nothing. It could be BS. It could be everything. So let me know what you guys think. And guys, listen, if you're new to crypto, there is no shame in having your hand held by a community of people who have been through multiple bull runs and can help navigate you through this space and get you out of it with your profits intact. Only 10% of people in crypto actually make true, legitimate, life-changing wealth for themselves, and that money comes from the other 90% of people in crypto who don't know what they're doing. Do not be part of the 90%, guys. Join the 10% club today. It's less than a cup of coffee a day, my friends, to be educated and taught how to actually make life-changing wealth for yourself. It's worth it. If someone came up to you tomorrow and said, hey, man, if you buy me a cup of coffee every day, I will teach you to get rich. Would you buy that person a cup of coffee every day? Of course you would. Well, guess what? That's what I'm telling you right now. Check it out, guys. The link is down in the description. We're live every single day. Join thousands of members in the 10% club today. We drop educational content, swing trades, microcap gems, so much more, guys. The link is down below, again, in the description. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.